Hi guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be replacing our own screens. Here we go. I got this at Home Depot. It's a screen repair kit and it's 36 inches by 84. It can change up to one door or two windows. It comes with literally everything you need except a tiny knife or a flathead screwdriver to help get the spline out of the groove. Splining tool or spline tool. It has two sides. It has a convex side on one end and it has a concave side on the other end. You can see the difference here. I can stick my nail on the concave side. This is the actual screen. And here's the spline. It helps keep the screen in frame. First thing you're going to do is remove your old spline, and I used a small flathead screwdriver to do this part. It can be a little tricky, just have some patience with it and keep trying. It does come out and it may even break on you, but that's okay too. Just keep trying and you will eventually get it all out. After the spline is out, go ahead and just take out the old screen. And this part was kind of satisfying because you're just like, I'm getting rid of this thing. I'm going to be honest with you, ours was kind of dirty. It's been a while since I gave them a good scrub. So what I did was, anytime I did this, because it took me a while to get this done, I vacuumed the carpet after I did it, just because it like kind of brought up a little dust and dirt while I was doing it. But you can get rid of this whenever you pull it out because you don't need it anymore. Then you can go ahead and lay the new screen down on the empty frame and make sure you're flat. Keep it nice and flat. Looking nice because this is how it's going to end up. Then you go ahead and take the spline and your spline tool and you insert it and you start pushing down. And I use the concave side for this and it really helped. The convex side I actually used to help push the screen down first, and then I put the concave side to get the actual spline down. And then I just did it one more time for you because it's really fun to see it fast. Go ahead and give it a nice trim when you're all done. And there you go. Your screen is nice and new and clean. Should be nice and taut. Now you get to enjoy your new screen that doesn't have any holes or little bugs to get in your house. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and have a great week.